Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. This is exactly how Shiba will drop zero this week. Shiba Inu news today lays the ground for a breakout transaction later in the US session on Wednesday. The chart points to an inflection point with several indicators, and bulls need to roll the dice here if they want to use the momentum to their advantage. With the price action being underpinned and ample room to move higher, bulls could book up to 30% gains on the back of this breakout trade. In this video, we will talk about exactly how Shib will drop zero this week. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content, including Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Let's get started with the video right away. Shiba Inu's price is experiencing bullish intervention as a result of its price movement. Throughout the European session, the 200-day simple moving average, or SMA, provided support this Wednesday, and kept price action of $0.00001000 bulls is brushing against that red descending trend line that will be the line in the sand for a breakout. Shiba Inu bulls have the upside in their favor as the breakout is not holding any resistance levels until the 55-day SMA, which is slightly above $0.00001200 and implies that bulls can reclaim that psychological figure should more tailwinds come in from the influential gaming expo that has Shiba Inu could see more inflow with $0.00000130 by Friday in its forecast. The bigger risk to the downside comes from the green ascending trend line. Although the area below that $0.00001000 level is quite turbulent, with the monthly AS1 and the red line at $0.00000966 for the bottom of March, it might spark a catalyst move once breached, and a rapid nosedive push to $0.00000073. $8 could be the result. The world's second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, continues to expand its footprint market-wide. The most recent events then suggest that the Shiba Inu community has pushed for the listing of Shib tokens on significant Japanese crypto exchanges. Mid-Flyer, one of the major exchanges operating in Japan with over 2.5 million members, said that it would start enabling support for trading Shib tokens. The statement from Bitflyer occurred earlier today, on March 22nd. The Japan-based Bitflyer has yet to publish any concrete specifics of its proposal. However, in an unstressed Shib handling commemoration with the 10,000 Japanese yen price pool of 20 eligible winners, the campaign will start today, March 22nd. And as soon as Bitflyer starts handling Shib transactions, Bitflyer was not the first Japanese crypto exchange to handle Shib transactions last month, on February 28. OKCoin Japan, the Japanese subsidiary of the San Francisco-based exchange OKCoin, started handling Shib transactions. Besides, the exchange also reported a positive response to the Shiba Inu listing. In another development, meme coin Shiba Inu also observed a massive jump in its burn rate, which shot up all the way by 4,600%. The burn rate denotes the portion of tokens removed from circulation, thereby effectively shrinking the total supply of the Shib crypto. By theory, this dramatic increase in Shib's burn rate should lead to a higher valuation for the cryptocurrency as it effectively reduces the supply. Shibarium's market price, however, hasn't changed much and has essentially remained unchanged, confusing investors. As of press time, that should be a new meme coin. It's trading at $0.00001087 with a market size of $6.4 billion. While the broader cryptocurrency market gained this month, Shiba Inu elected not to partake in the rally. Over the last 2 weeks, the Shib price has undergone limited fluctuations, hinting that large-scale traders and investors are uncertain about the crypto's future. Also, the core development team at Shiba Inu has been falling behind with the launch of the Layer 2 scaling protocols. Shiba Inu won't be the only initiative waiting to launch. There are others as well. Shiba Inu has been a very slow mover during the recent market rally, but it has been announced that the much-anticipated Shiba Inu metaverse will launch on the Sheboygan platform. some analysts remain bullish about it. Popular crypto enthusiast David Dockstein recently said that his bet on Shib at $0.01 still remains valid, with Balaji Srinivasan betting for the BTC price to be at $1 million. However, this would mean massive 100 times gains for the current Shib price. If not, Dockstein has promised to delete his Twitter with 700,004 Allure. The crypto wallet holding a large number of Shiba Inu tokens is moving funds to exchanges with historical data suggesting a decline in prices in the short term if the holder were to sell the tokens. While at 0xD6 moved to more than 182 billion Shiba Inu tokens to crypto exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com. During Asian morning hours on Monday, data cited from analytics firm Look On Chain shows 3 months ago, the same wallet moved more than 200 billion Shib to Crypto.com, selling them for US dollars. Shib's price fell 7%. At the time, tracking the movement of tokens from wallets that hold a significant amount of supply could serve as an indicator of price activity. If a large number of tokens are sold, the price might decline as a greater supply is available on the market. If the tokens are moved to related decentralized finance applications, however, prices may not drop immediately. Other scan data shows the wallet 0xD6 holds more than 3.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at almost $40 million at current prices. That is slightly over 0.3% of the total supply of Shiba Inu tokens. Watch This Chain said the wallet will acquire cheap new tokens in August 2020 with an initial investment of 10 ETH, or just over $3,000 at the time. Shiba Inu's price has been trading sideways despite a jump in Bitcoin's price. The meme coin is currently lagging behind most altcoins as BTC battles with its $28,000 resistance. Shib's price chart appears to be the calm before the storm as the holders await the launch of its Layer 2 network on Friday. Shib is showing minor gains of 0 points at 85%. At press time, the popular meme coin was trading at $0.00001067. The coin is 10.8% up from its monthly lows and 32% below its YTD highs. At the moment, Shib's price appears to be in sideways accumulation, signaling that a big move might be on the horizon. Lately, most of the Shib news has been regarding the much-awaited launch of the Shibarium layer on blockchain. This has become one of the most anticipated events for the meme coin community, as this can create upward pressure on the Shibarium coin price. The developers of the new blockchain are still keeping cards close to their chests, and the main net launch date has yet to be announced. The public beta version of the network has already been live since March 11. However, the hype surrounding the new meme coin blockchain has taken a hit due to the use of a chain ID for an existing blockchain. This was mentioned by a community member in the Discord. The following Shib chart shows that the price has created a lower low on the daily chart. Technically, analysts consider this a sign of weakness and the start of a potential downtrend. Furthermore, the price is consolidating below the $0.00001086 support and trading below its 200-day moving average. The COYO token is a centralized finance project based on the Ethereum blockchain that aims to provide a platform where users can access various financial services, including lending, borrowing, and staking, in a decentralized manner. The platform's native cryptocurrency is the COYO token. This serves as a payment method for accessing the various financial services on the platform. According to CoinMarketCap, the token is ranked number 3180 and has a market cap of just $8.4 million. Nevertheless, the project has burned a whopping 4.6 billion Shiba Inu tokens, or roughly $50,000, in the last 10 days, contributing much of Shib's destruction in the last 2 weeks. Even the accuracy of the data has been questioned in light of the amount. However, Chad Burn has Shiba Inu's dedicated burn tracker recently confirmed the number of Shiba Inu tokens burned through the burn portal. The quantity of burned Shib tokens that can be linked to the code token address serves as proof that tokens were burned. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.